Is the US dollar about to surge against the Canadian loonie, or is it hitting a brick wall? Welcome to your rapid-fire analysis of USDCAD, a currency pair caught in a tug-of-war between major news and technical roadblocks. Recent headlines about potential new U.S. tariffs have sent shockwaves through the market, causing an initial spike in the USDCAD. This fundamental pressure suggests strength for the US dollar. But when we look at the charts, a much more complicated story emerges, with sentiment split right down the middle. Let's look at the bull case, the argument for buying. Some analysts are pointing to a classic reversal signal on the 4-hour chart, an inverted hammer pattern that formed around the 1.368 level. This suggests that after a dip, buyers are stepping back in. Some trading setups are targeting a move higher, looking for the price to break out and test resistance around 1.3760. The bulls believe the tariff news provides enough fuel to push the price higher. However, the bears are growling at the door. Several analyses highlight a powerful descending trend line that has been capping the price for weeks. Each time the price has approached this line, it has been rejected. One weekly technical outlook is calling for a significant bearish setup to unfold, with potential targets far lower, first at 1.3380 and then possibly down to 1.3150. Another chart shows a potential sell setup right from this trendline, aiming for a drop towards the 1.3540 support area. So where does that leave us? The pair is currently trading in a critical zone, right below major daily resistance around the 1.37 level. This is the battleground. The market is showing extreme division, with valid arguments for both a major rally and a significant drop. Here are the key takeaways. The overall sentiment is neutral to mixed. We have bullish momentum from the news clashing directly with heavy bearish technical resistance. Key selling points are clustered around the current price up to the 1.3740 resistance area. A failure to break this level could trigger a sell-off. On the other hand, potential buying points could emerge if the price finds support. Key levels to watch on the downside are 1.3640 and the lower support around 1.3540. In conclusion, the USD-CAD is coiled for a big move, but the direction is uncertain. The deciding factor will be whether the bulls can decisively break above that formidable resistance near 1.3740. If they can't, the bears are waiting to take control. Keep a close eye on that level, as it will likely signal the next direction for the pair.